Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video we have another very interesting question from radical mathematics. We have to evaluate expression a plus b over ab. So let's get started by considering this required expression equal to e first. Now we will simplify a and b respectively. So let us write a first. I will write square root 15. Then I will be writing square root 5. Then we have square root 9. Then we can write square root 3. Now in denominator, square root 12 we can write this is 2 root 3. Then we have square root 5. Then we have plus 1. Now I can take root 5 common from these two and root 3 common from these two. So I will get square root 5 is common in the bracket root 3 plus 1. Then root 3 is common in the bracket root 3 plus 1. In denominator, we can write square root 5 first. Then 2 square root 3 can be written as root 3 plus root 3. Then we have plus 1. Now I can take root 3 plus 1 common out. In other bracket, we'll get root 5 plus root 3. In denominator, we will write root 5 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus 1. This is A. Now I will flip numerator denominator. So let us consider reciprocal both sides. We will get 1 over A. This will be equal to square root 5 plus square root 3 plus square root 3 plus 1 over root 5 plus square root 3 in one bracket. In another bracket square root 3 plus 1. Now I will split our numerator with respect to these two brackets. So we can write root 5 plus root 3 over root 5 plus root 3 times root 3 plus 1. Then we'll write plus sign. Then we'll write root 3 plus 1 over root 5 plus root 3 times root 3 plus 1. Now we can cancel root 3 plus 1 here and root 5 plus root 3 here. We will get 1 over square root 3 plus 1 plus 1 over square root 5 plus square root 3. Now I will rationalize our denominator. So we need to multiply here in the denominator and numerator by root 3 minus 1. And here we will multiply root 5 minus root 3 in the numerator also. Now in denominator we are getting a plus b times a minus b form here also. So we will write root 3 minus 1 over a square minus b square. So I will write root 3 square minus 1 square plus root 5 minus root 3 over root 5 square minus root 3 square. So I can write here square root 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 1, which is 2, plus square root 5 minus root 3 over 5 minus 3, which is 2. Now denominator is same. We can simply add the numerators. So I will write root 3 minus 1 plus root 5 minus root 3 over 2. This will be the value of 1 over a. Now we can cancel plus and minus square root 3. So we will be getting 1 over a equal to square root 5 minus 1 over 2. Now we will consider expression b. If I will write b, then I can write square root 15. Then I will be writing minus square root 5. Then we can write square root 9. Then we will be writing minus square root 3 over square root 12. Again we can write 2 square root 3. Then we have square root 5. Then we have minus 1. Again I will consider root 5 common from here and root 3 common from these two. So I will be getting square root 5 in the bracket square root 3 minus 1 plus square root 3 is common in the bracket square root 3 minus 1. In denominator we can write square root 5 first. Then we can split 2 root 3 as root 3 plus root 3. Then we can write minus 1. Now root 3 minus 1 is common from numerator. So we will get other factor root 5 plus root 3. Denominator will be root 5 plus root 3 plus root 3 minus 1. This is the value of b. Now I will consider reciprocal both sides. So let's switch numerator and denominator. We will get root 5 plus root 3 plus root 3 minus 1 will be our numerator. This will be equal to 1 over b. Now we will write denominator. So denominator will be root 5 plus root 3 times root 3 minus 1. Again I will split my numerator with respect to these brackets. I can write root 5 plus root 3 over root 5 plus root 3 times root 3 minus 1 plus root 3 minus 1 over root 5 plus root 3 times root 3 minus 1. Now we can cancel root 3 minus 1, root 5 plus root 3. So we will be getting here 1 over root 3 minus 1, and here I will be getting 1 over root 5 plus root 3. Again we will rationalize our denominator. So we need to multiply root 3 plus 1 here. So in the numerator, here I will multiply root 5 minus root 3 in the numerator and in the denominator. Again we are getting a plus b times a minus b form in the denominator. So we will get 1 over b. This will be equal to root 3 plus 1 over root 3 square minus 1. We can write 2 directly plus root 5 minus root 3 over, we can write root 5 square minus root 3 square, which will be 5 minus 3. So I can write 2. Now denominator is same. We can simply add the numerators. So I can write 1 over b. This will be equal to root 3 plus 1 plus root 5 minus root 3 over 2. Now plus and minus root 3 will be over. We will be getting 1 over b value as root 5 plus 1 over 2. Now you can see our required expression is E equal to A plus B over AB, which we can write A over AB plus B over AB. Now I can cancel A with A, B with B. So ultimately we have to calculate 1 over B plus 1 over A. This is our 1 over B, and we have calculated 1 over A also, root 5 minus 1 over 2. So simply we have to add 1 over A plus 1 over B. So let me write here, E will be equal to 1 over A plus 1 over B. So 1 over A is root 5 minus 1 over 2. 1 over B is root 5 plus 1 over 2. Denominator is same. I will simply add the numerators, plus root 5 plus 1. Now we can cancel plus and minus 1 from the numerator. We will get 2 square root 5 over 2. Now we can cancel 2 and 2 from numerator and denominator, and we will get our final answer is square root 5. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.